Many people have difficulty understanding the difference between a business manager and an ads manager, so let's dive in. Are you confused about the difference between Facebook Business Manager and Ads Manager? You're not alone. While both are essential tools for managing your Facebook presence, they serve different purposes. Ads Manager is where you create and manage your Facebook ads. You can select which individual ad account you'd like to view under your profile or your agency's profile depending on who owns the ad account. You can also check out ad campaign reports, which are super handy when you're discussing ad performance with your clients. On the other hand, Business Manager is a tool that helps you manage your business pages, admin roles, and even ad accounts. It's the hub of all Facebook management. You can request access to existing pages or ad accounts if you don't already have access. Plus, you can customize employees' access levels for ad accounts. So there you have it. While both tools are important for managing your Facebook presence, they serve different purposes. If you're looking to create and manage ads, Ads Manager is the way to go. But if you're looking to manage your business pages and ad accounts, Business Manager is the tool for you.